To draw the moon, we need to start off with a really nice curve. So we want it to kind of fit in this kind of area. So it's going to kind of come around like that. So I'm going to start up here and I'm going to draw a nice curve coming around like that. And then I'll get that into the right position there. Imagine a line going through the middle there. So we want to come just below and we're going to do a curve that comes out and around into the nose and just curls up a bit like that. And then underneath the nose we want to draw a little curve that goes to the top of the lip, then that comes down a little bit there and then into a smile, out again to a smile and down, and a little bit of a hook there, and then we want to curl into this curve here as well, like that. Then we can probably put a little bit of a line there. We want to put a little sleepy eye like that, and then the teeth for a smile are going to come down like that and in a little bit there, and a little bit of a kind of a winsome look with the eyebrow. When you're sure it's dry, you can erase that line and then paint the moon a lemon yellow, paint the night sky a dark blue, maybe have some stars. And there you go, how to draw a moon real easy. Make sure you are subscribed to the Shu Raynor Drawing channel. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back every week for lots more easy drawings. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.